I used to let the smallest comments ruin my whole day. Someone says something simple and you replay it 10 different ways in your head. You start wondering what they meant. You start thinking about what you should have said. Then you start thinking about what might happen because of it. And then your head is absolutely full. Nothing dramatic has happened, but you feel flat, pissed off, irritated. And that's where the decisions slip. You reach for the food, you have a drink, you stay up too late, you start snapping at people. Not because you're hungry or angry, it's because you're mentally drained. For years I thought I just needed discipline. What I really needed was how to stop everything I was carrying in my head. What had changed for me was writing things down. What was actually bothering me and what I thought it meant. And if you're someone that don't like writing, say it out loud while you're driving. Say it out loud, get it out your mind. Break it down, there's no difference. What this actually helped me was it could separate what I can control and what I can control. As a result, I feel a lot more balanced. Because once the thoughts stop looping, your head feels lighter. Like I said, you're more balanced, you're more in control with yourself. And if this sounds familiar, clear your head even before you start thinking about anything else. If you found it helpful, give me a follow.